They popping poppers.
Oh, they popping poppers. Yeah, we on YouTube. Y'all say what's up to YouTube.
What's up, y'all?
King, say what's up, King. He ain't even paying attention. What's up? What's up? Right now, we're going to go to the lakefront with like a harbor, watch the fireworks, get y'all some of that fireworks footage. We're going here, chill, have a little fun. See, we out. We out.
What's up, chat?
We out.
What's up, chat?
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 We out here, gang. Yeah, I'm posting it. All this going on YouTube. Yeah, we gonna be on that, son. We on that, son. Anywho, I'm gonna hit y'all back when we walk, cause we ready to cut through a little path and it ain't got no lights. I can guarantee y'all that. So when we get through this path to get to the lakefront where they shooting the fireworks, pick the camera back up.
Move. Tracy.
Sounding like shit. Ain't shit else going on.
She texted because her girlfriend is here with her friends, and then one of her other homeboys is here. I think they delayed it till 10. They gotta try to wait, I guess, until it stops raining.
Yeah, it's gonna keep raining till 11. So that's
but it's like it's real light now, so I guess they still gonna do it. Like it's just gotta be postponed.
You gotta light another one.
The rain.
probably it's coming back. It's gonna stop for 15 minutes.
Oh, okay. So that's probably when they do it. Cause it feel like, oh yeah, it feel like it's about to stop, trying to stop now.
Yeah. How does people?
I know. They
Start at 10 o'clock.
That's a boat. No, it's too crowded. There's a boy right there with the bucket with the umbrella.
That's why we go right there in front of them. Where the police was at. Oh. Watch it here, watch it here. It's getting wet, CJ. You got the umbrella over you. Put it over me.
And I ain't gonna start this till 10.
I can like this.
What's my play?
What's the name? I don't want that. They gone. Look, because I had them together, they went out all fast. Look, these was stuck in the
CJ scared.
I know. He like, If them things. Look, King got his, shorty.
You on camera scared.
Right. Dang, I keep forgetting you got that game. Shut up.
What? You can't be saying that.
Please be quiet.
Yeah, I think
You see a
I think the
firework?
Harbors was letting in, so I think that's what.
No. The harbor said that they was waiting till 10. They posted theirs.
Oh, for real?
Columbia ass ain't posted damn thing. One more back.
That's somebody else.
I gotta give it to you again like that.
Yeah, man.
I ain't never seen none of this stuff.
Okay, are you in PI still? For real?
Huh? Got 2 hours? Get it, Jason.
People still got their blankets on his grass. Like,
Okay, man. Yeah, that shit gonna be wet as shit.
grass stains, bro.
That is not gonna burn.
forgot to say if we walk like right here in the parking lot.
Yeah, I'm out there.
It's chill from there.
Wait a minute, let me like this. Hold up, yeah, do that. Put that one in the right there in the back. The old one, I got it. Yeah, they got cameramen out there, mug. They doing them fireworks.
I'll keep going something. It hurt me. Because you
Don't hurt.
Tell them again. You gotta hold it away from them.
Ouch! I'm at the doctor,
I know, that's why I said we can walk up some.
Girl.
I'm gonna take the most closest.
No, they came right here.
They're giving me bones.
Happy 4th of July.
Come on.
Happy Juneteenth Part 2, y'all.
So we wouldn't have to have Oh, it's all the way down there, it fell.
I'm not saying you they don't, but
It's back, but you like fire like a motherfucker. You know how it is. I don't think that's
she missed for all night.
Feel it right here. I know where Mom, I know where the door is.
No, we're gonna leave it right there until it cool down.
I'm ready to walk up, see, yeah.
Somebody gonna take my fucking spot.
Take them into the place.
He's smoking. You better run.
Huh?
Like where we walk down from the top.
Think so, but it's up some, that's what I said. She right here, right here.
But he right here. Like, you just walking past.
No, I'm gonna leave the umbrella. Boy, I take the umbrella, leave the jacket. That'll work. I'm gonna take the umbrella. What, the umbrella? You wanna hold it?
With the umbrella?
I was like, here, boy.
Alright, y'all.
Alright, hold this. I got you. I put my shoe right here.
And my hoodie fell all the way behind the wall. Right here in the corner behind
Okay,
the
well,
wall.
I grab it and put it right here on the sit.
King grab. Huh? Huh? Yeah, you had to jump down, come around here and get it. Sit.
What?
I know.
You got it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Don't let them
Mom, feel my hair.
Sweating.
No, sweat.
Can you stand?
See?
You stand.
With the other little brother.
You wanna get closer to TJ?
You might as well bring them, Shane.
You cut her.
I know. It wasn't a big one. Scoot back a little bit more. There you go. Alright. We'll be right back.
You see, about to start raining though.
We definitely don't need that umbrella. I don't feel nothing now.
Yeah, it's slowing down, slowing down.
Ain't nothing out here to
Watch
Don't
my.
let nobody snatch it.
I'm gonna put it next to King. Watch the umbrella, alright? Let nobody see. Right there. Don't look. You gotta keep your eye on the swivel because they'll try to come right here. Be like, no, that's like stuff.
Wait, but like,
I'm ready. No, it need to be spaced out.
Nah.
It need to be, yeah. They got it. They got this.
We're further now.
Front of the what?
Waterfall. Supervisor, correct. I'll be there in 1 minute.
This is somebody in front of the waterfall. In front of the waterfall. He said what?
It sound like a day problem. Like,
Oh, yeah. No.
Where you gonna hit the steps or around the building or where you trying to go?
is we gonna get outside? They coming down heavy, ain't they?
Oh. Right here. I like yeah, like right here in the back.
Yeah.
Because somebody is on the balcony.
Oh yeah, they yeah. Shiny said I ass down.
I don't like standing up.
Shiny said shit.
What? Oh, what? That's everybody. Where the fuck was we at last time? What side we was on? You got them all. Down, Rick. Airport like 10 minutes. If the plane gets hit with fire, they'll go up that high. If they was up that high, we wouldn't be able to see them that close. We can see the planes. I'm still on plane the time. I'm no, we both did.
King say he felt it.
Do they not know we gonna fall?
Yeah, they high as hell, man. They like 30,000.
That's what I'm saying. If the firework up that high, we ain't gonna be able to see that shit. Not 30,000 feet. What kind of plane it is now?
Nah,
What color on that airplane?
Light.
Ain't no red.
Light. I can guess it.
What kind of airplane?
It's a global airplane. It's a global airplane. Air One.
Now them birds might not want to fly. They might want to fly. Yeah, they say.
That must have been the test.
Yeah, that was the time.
I was gonna let you go this way and pull it down.
Loud in here. They gonna say gunshots. They gonna say Good. I hate that's something.
How do you guys think this way?
I don't hate it. I like it. It's not challenging.
I can't take them to some man's house.
It's
Okay,
it.
let me
It's
show you
it.
how up. Let me see. Let me see.
I ain't even got my arm up.
That's a big camera. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me show you the view. Let me show you the view.
Yeah. Shani trying to take my camera.
Tyron. It is. I forgot. He told me to call him Ty.
Shani trying to take my camera.
That's How can you be my favorite holiday too? You know, on trees, they don't have Halloween for it. My mother was saying the holiday and everybody in their house. It was so fun.
Aí, ó, com o neném no colo. Eu com o neném no colo, meio que lembrando assim, que o negócio aqui They down there got announcements and shit at the VIP.
Yeah, they know exactly when it's going.
The floor, where the floor at?
Okay, you better put him on your
That's
shoulders.
not a floor. That's cement.
Well, I'm making sure to see
It's brown.
I'm making sure to go my knees.
Make sure you know the difference. Okay? Talking that proper brown. Oh, hell no. Wait a
Yeah, they
minute.
got it now.
You want a woo?
7, 6,
Oh, hell no. They got to do the countdown?
3, 2.
They petty as hell. like 20.
20, yeah, 20.
That was fun. The last one was scary.
The last one was not scary.
Let me just sound. That was loud though.
They sliding them in there.
I wonder who's doing that. I think it was, imagine it was just kids doing that.
Jump.
Don't push me.
I told they sliding them in.
We gotta go that way. They not finished.
Oh yeah, you ain't lying.
You said which one you said? They not finished. That means like one last one. We gotta go that way. Oh, my knees are standing right in the middle. Like when you get to the path. Who's this? Y'all gotta go that way. We're gonna go this way. I see you tomorrow.
Alright, Shaq.
Bye bye. If it's not gonna rain, you gonna come get the pool. You gonna come get the pool tomorrow, right? Alright. I see y'all tomorrow. Pool. You gotta get out here.
Right here?
Scared me, I almost panicked. Where you hoodie?
Yeah, I know.
Watch out, bud.
My knees are about to die.
Huh?
Yeah. They took all the spot.
He's still going. Guess we stay to the party over.
Nah, they lighting stuff that ain't light.
Give it to us. Take it to this. Get your stuff. Get your stuff.
Come on, let's go. Y'all ready? Come on, CJ.
My knees tired.
Huh?
My knees hurt.
Boy, come on. You get left. Come on, King. We're gonna leave him. Come on.
Got your fire first.
What is it?
It's firecracker.
It's a pack of firecrackers?
No, it's firecracker.
Oh, poppers.
No, it ain't. It's a firework.
Oh,
You light it when you get in the path. You can't light it right here. It's a firework.
what kind of fireworks?
I don't know. Let me see. Daddy won't read the box, but.
Huh?
I'm still there questions.
See us, folks.
Yeah.
Oh, look, you can see the flashlights.
I know. Oh, wrong phone.
You're not doing it.
Come this way, Adam. Walk with me.
Alright, you two in the video.
I don't know where my mom is. I told
We
her.
ready in the dark.
I can't see. It's open.
How we gonna see? Look, we can't see
foggy.
nothing.
It's full.
Alright, y'all. Say peace to YouTube. Say peace to chat.
Peace.
Alright, YouTube. Y'all hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
Shady said I
Hit
could
that
Papa.
subscribe button. We out, gang. Alright, YouTube. I know I said that was the end of the video. I just want to get back on here. Let y'all know we made it home. We made it home.
I never heard a camera before.
What? Nope. Nope. We out here. Nope. What? 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 I slapped when he mad, y'all. Huh, you want to hold the camera?
Yeah, I want to hold
Nope,
it.
because he crying.
No, hold it.
It's like, huh? It's like, yeah, it's like, it's like,
That's glazed. Y'all ask.
shut up, slap both of y'all. What? What's up? Oh, come on. Look, you scared. It's like, what's up?
Got a hot one. They got Buddha
You don't
chips.
need no hot ones.
King, look.
Oh, that shit. Never seen those.
Oh, they got the big ones.
But they got real bulldogs now.
Right here.
They got the cat.
King, look.
I never seen those.
They got the fake lace chips.
They got the fake.
Isn't these Chinese chips, Uncle? These Chinese chips.
Oh, it's not. Oh, yeah. Don't open those.
Oh, these got the chip. Yep, the small one got.
You get 1 or 2 cans.
They got all this. Oh!
Because they don't gotta be too
I haven't got these ones before. I feel like you actually bought that.
Yeah.
I think this one's the best one.
Alright, come on. Let's go.
They got the best hot dogs. Yeah, I got those.
Yeah, go get 3 greens.
I'm greedy.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's gonna be it. Everybody get one hot dog. One hot dog. That's
One.
what you want.
1 hot dog.
Yeah, everybody get one.
Hold up. 1, 2. It's 4. They can get 1.
How many hot dogs y'all want?
They ain't eating nothing yet. Still a whole pack.
I ate 1. How many come in the pack?
Oh, I think like 8. Anywho, we out of here, YouTube. We wanted to let y'all know we made it back to the crib. Fireworks, y'all gonna see the fireworks. It was crazy. I ain't gonna lie. You can feel the bitches in your chest. It was like boom, boom. I was scared, low key. I ain't gonna lie. I kept, covering my ear a little bit, but I only do it with one hand, so it won't look like I'm really out there like this and shit. Nah, just one hand. But it was pretty cool. First time for real ever being like that close, doing the fireworks on 4th of July. Like, other than that, kid coming up, for Baltimore, we used to go to Choices and shit like that. Like, Kitty Disco and all that. So, like, it's alright though. But we out, chat. Just want to let y'all know. Again, hit that comment, like, subscribe, come out at your boy. Out. Like, for Rick. Hit the shit and like the shit. Oh, that's the TNT. That's gonna go fuck.
It ain't gonna fly?
No, just like the shit.
Bigger, but.
Mommy all scared. Don't run with the firework now. Babe, come on, light the shit.
It's lighting. Can't run with daddy yet.
Go. Hey, chat, we got out of there.